Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to play Just Dance on Nintendo Switch offline. First, make sure the game is installed on your device. If you have a physical copy, insert the cartridge. If you purchase it digitally, check that it's downloaded and updated. Now open Just Dance from your home screen. If you see a message asking for an internet connection, don't worry, you can still play in offline mode. Next, choose Just Dance mode instead of Just Dance Plus, which requires an internet connection. Here you can access the songs that are available offline. Keep in mind that some songs might be locked behind Just Dance Plus, which needs an online subscription. After selecting a song, hold your Joy-Con controllers and follow the on-screen dance moves. You can also play with your smartphone using the Just Dance controller app, but this requires an internet connection. If you want more songs offline, check if your game version includes additional content or DLC that can be downloaded for offline use. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.